Hello and welcome to History Pod. On the 7th of July 1928, pre-sliced and wrapped bread was first sold by the Chillicothe Baking Company in Missouri. If you've ever claimed that something was the greatest thing since sliced bread, you are indirectly referring to this particular date. The Chillicothe Baking Company's Kleen Maid sliced bread proved incredibly popular and was advertised as the greatest forward step in the baking industry since bread was wrapped. It was this slogan that led to the hyperbolic phrase we now use to describe an invention that has had a huge impact on daily life. The American inventor of the bread slicing machine was trained optometrist and former jeweller Otto Frederick Rohwedder. Having become convinced that he could invent and market an automatic bread slicing machine, he sold his 3 jewellery shops to finance its development. Unfortunately, a fire in his factory destroyed both the blueprints and the prototype in 1917, and this pushed back the development of the machine by a number of years. The first bread slicing machine was bought by Chillicothe baker Frank Bench, but demand soon increased, and bakeries across the country clamoured to produce and market this new type of bread. The social impact was enormous. As well as increasing bread consumption, the arrival of pre-sliced bread also caused increased sales of automatic toasters, which had first been introduced in 1926 by Charles Strite. Sliced bread even became a political issue when, at the height of the Second World War, it was banned due to concerns over the quantity of wax paper being used to wrap it. However, the ban was lifted after just 3 months, and sliced bread has remained a staple food ever since.